This is just the home feed. It's where you can scroll through everyone that you follow personally. Um, and then if you'd like to search for someone new or a page specifically, you can go in and we'll use Tony as an example. So I'm going to unfollow Tony. You see that little person icon, I tap it, and then it no longer shows me because I have to request to follow her again. And I did that. I requested to follow her, which is why that's blank, because she hasn't accepted my request yet. So in order to post something, the plus sign icon in the center is what you hit to start a post to share to your feed. You can also take a picture, and then you can record a video if you'd like to do that. I'm going to select this one of Flow just as an example. You hit the next button, and then you can edit using filters, or you can hit the edit button in the bottom right that will allow you to do things like brightness, contrast, and you can do other things like saturation and color. We'll put a pink color to Flow. And then a vignette, we can just add that for fun to her. So I wouldn't normally use this, but just to show you all the different options. Once you hit next, you can start typing and write a caption. Just tap write a caption, and there's ours. We'll hit OK, and then you can tag people. And I tagged Tony, and you can move the tag around wherever you want in the picture, doesn't matter. We'll leave it right there, and then hit done. And then to add a location, you just hit add location, and then you can search for a specific location. I'm going to search for Garden Valley Properties. Now I have hit OK. Everything looks great. You can see that I can share to Facebook straight from Instagram, and I have that turned on down there. And you can see all my other accounts too that I manage, because I could post this picture to multiple accounts if I turned it on. And then we can add a hashtag. I just hit write caption again, Idaho real estate, and then OK. And then you can tap the picture itself to see the picture, make sure you like what you've done for editing. Then you just hit the white space to get out of it. Then you post share. And now it's posting to Garden Valley Properties. And I can show you how to delete a picture too, since I already posted Flow earlier today. So you just hit the 3 dots in the top right, then you click delete, and then delete post. And now it's gone. And next, the heart button, which I just clicked on, shows you who has liked your pictures and videos, who's followed you, and who's commented on your pictures, so you can tap on any of them. I tapped on one. It shows that Gulani liked our post. And this one down here is a comment. I'm going to like his comment by tapping the heart and then doing it with the rest of them. That's how you like a comment, so someone knows that you saw what they said without actually having to respond to them. So yes, that's the tutorial on our little heart button page. This is our main page, which you just click your picture in the bottom right. You can scroll through it like this in this format, or you can tap the middle button that allows for each picture individually to be shown with the caption. So these are all the ones that I posted for Garden Valley Properties. Not all of them, but some of them. Now we'll go and do a story. You just hit your story in the top left, and then you hit camera roll, and we can choose anything. We'll choose Flow again, just for the sake of it. Then you tap the picture that you want, and then you can do things like adding a location, which you just hit the little icon in the top center that has the smiley face on it that's a box shape, not the round shape. And I just chose City of Crouch because we're in Crouch. And I just saved it by doing the downward arrow that has a line underneath it that's in the top left-ish of the picture. And now I'm writing with the pen button. And I just wrote hi. And you can change the size of the eraser and just erase what you've written. And then I'm going to click done. And then something else you can do is you can tap anywhere on the picture and just type in words. Easiest way to do it. And then you can change the style by hitting the top button in the center just a strong and classic and modern, different fonts. And you can move it around and then delete it by dragging it to the trash can at the bottom. Now you hit share to your story, and done. And now it's posted. We'll go in to see, in the bottom left you can see whether it's posted or not. It's currently posting. And then the heart button that says highlight, you can hit that and then choose one of our Instagram stories. I'm going to tap Mount or Office Fun, excuse me. And then that brings us to highlighted stories. So we're back to our page. These are stories that instead of, because usually stories will delete after 24 hours. So these are stories that I've saved that people can always view. This is how you see who has viewed the story that we've posted. Currently no one's viewed that one yet. Mountain Living, this is all the way from 21 weeks ago. Tap through all of them. You just tap to go to the next story. Pretty simple. Then our next highlighted event comes up. And yeah, that is all. Thanks so much, guys. Hope this helps. It's a little quick. Let me know if you have any questions.